Let's take a look at these 2 foot by 4 foot LED panel lights. Now these are designed to work with like your drop ceiling, stuff like that. But I'm gonna use these a little different. I'm gonna put them in between my trusses when I get my sheetrock up in a few spots to have real good light. Now I've got one of these temporarily wired up just to show you how bright it is, because they do have a few different settings on them. So you can change your color temperature. Plugged in here. So you've got a switch on the back, I'll show you here in a second, but you've got your color temperature you can adjust here. Got a warmer or a cooler temperature there. Looks like you have 4 settings there on it. 5 settings. And then you've got your wattage there to how bright you want it. So now you do have to access those from the back side, so you're gonna have to get them set and then leave them alone. But yeah, really nice panel lights. They do include the installation instructions, and it is a 2-pack. And I'll flip it over and show you the switch here on the back. So your 2 switches here, got your settings there on them, so you can easily adjust your color and your power. Pretty nice little panel lights.